Hello everyone. If you have ever worked on WordPress, you probably noticed that there's no built-in feature to duplicate a page or a post easily. So instead of creating everything from scratch again, there's a simple solution which is to install a plugin known as Duplicate. So let's head over to plugin section in WordPress. As you can see, I'm going to click on add plugin, and here in the search plugins, I'm going to type duplicate. And it will immediately give me all the duplicate plugins which are in the WordPress repository. Now the first one is the use duplicate post, which has 4 million active installations. Obviously this is very popular, but this is last updated 2 months back. So I'm going to avoid this. I'm going to go ahead with this one, duplicate post. And this has 3 million plus active installations with a 5-star rating, as opposed to this one which is having 4.5-star rating. Right? And this was last updated 5 days ago, so it's very fresh. Obviously, it is also compatible with my version of WordPress. So this is another important feature that you need to keep in mind before installing any WordPress plugin, right? Whether it is compatible or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on install now. And then once it's installed, I will go ahead and activate it immediately. All right, so it's currently being installed. And once it's installed, you can see the activate button. I click on activate here, and immediately it will take me to the install plugins page where it shows all the installed plugins. As you can see, I also have the option of deactivating this plugin. Right now I'm just going to show you how you can use this plugin to edit any page. So I'm just going to head over to pages, click on all pages here, and as you can see now here it says duplicate this, right? So this option immediately appears. Duplicate this. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this page, or let me duplicate this page, catering and orders. Just going to go ahead and duplicate this one, and you will see catering and orders is now duplicated. Now I'm going to click with edit with Elementor, because this WordPress website is built on Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor, and the backend opens up where you can easily edit any portion of the page. So it's very easy to duplicate any page or any post instead of creating a page completely from scratch, which will take a lot of your time, right? So it's very easy to install this plugin, and now I'm in the backend. If I want, I can edit anything over here. I can edit the title over here on the left side. This search box, this title box, I can change it immediately, right? I'm just going to go ahead and leave this page for now. Exit to WordPress, leave this. And if I want to change the title of the page, all right, so again, clicking on the W icon, WordPress. If I want to change the title of this, I'll click on quick edit, and here I can change the catering and orders title. I can also change the slug. For example, I can catering and orders. I can put something like this. The slug is the URL which comes after the website, right? So website.com/the slug. All right, so this was a quick video on how you can duplicate any page or post, right? So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.